Mishi from MishiWorld, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY cards at home. So let's get started. You will need hot glue, construction paper shaped like hearts like this in different colors, and you will need a big piece of construction paper folded in half for the card too. I will use these hearts to make balloons in my card. Be careful with the hot glue, it might burn you, and use your own creativity and fill the whole thing with balloons of any color all over. This card is ready. If you like my card, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.